Hey guys, this is Mark with Apple Tech 128. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can map a network drive on Windows. It's not as easy as macOS because it doesn't just automatically show up, but it's not too hard. It's fairly easy. And I'll also show you how you can automatically reconnect when you sign in, because if you don't do this one thing, you'll have to re-add it every single time. And then also how you can automatically log in. So what we want to do is go ahead and open up File Explorer. Make sure you're on this PC tab, and then we will go to Computer, and we'll say Map Network Drive, and then Map Network Drive. Now this is the page where you enter in all the information. We can pick our drive letter. I like to pick N because N network. So we'll just do N. And then folder is the location of the drive. You're going to do 2 slashes. And then you will say the name of the actual server itself. So 2 backslashes. And then we'll say the name of the server. My name of the server is Apple Tech 128. And then we'll do another backslash. And then we will say the name of the shared folder that we want to access. Many servers have multiple shared folders. I have one called NAS. So we will just say NAS. And then that is our location that we're going to access. If you have multiple shared folders on one server, like I have one called Pictures, I would just replace NAS with Pictures, and I would do this all over again. So for however many shared folders you want, you have to do this multiple times. If you don't check the boxes reconnect at sign-in, you're not going to be able to open it. You'll have to go through this whole process again, so check that box. And then for the most part, your log is going to be different than your login on the computer. So if that is the case, you will check this next box that says login is different. So we will say next, and then now we'll enter in our username and password. Our username is always going to be saved. You can change that, but make sure you get it right this time. And then we can enter in our password. If you want it to automatically reconnect and sign in every time you turn on the computer, you can check remember my credentials, but I'll enter my password every time. It will remember your username, even if you don't check this box. So now we'll open up our shared folder, and there you go. We got our network drive mapped, and every time we reboot, it will automatically pull it up right there. It will show the red X right there, like you see right there. If you're not signed in, but now it's under network drives, and it will always be right there. And we can also pin it to our side right here if you want to open it right there. But that's pretty much it. Pretty simple and easy, a little strange, but not too bad. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and I'll see you in the next one.